Hey guys, welcome to our weekly AgSolver videos. My name is Curtis, and today we're going to be walking you through a strip till versus conventional till use case. And there's actually some kind of benefits between both strip till and conventional till. Obviously, with strip till, we're going to have reduced fuel, labor, and machinery costs, and we're also going to see a decrease in soil erosion. But on the inverse of that, we also see an increase in our herbicide cost, and it requires more specialized equipment. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a scenario to look at both and look at the overall impact on your ROI. So we'll simply start off down here by clicking Copy Scenario. We're going to choose the year that we want to look at, and for this case, we'll just use our actual production for the year 2010. And we're just going to name this conventional tillage. Then we'll just hit Save. And then we're also going to go ahead and add another scenario really quick, and we're going to name that one strip tillage. And we're also going to look at the same year of actual production for 2010. Hit Save. And now we'll go into our scenario that we just created for 2010, and we're going to look at our conventional tillage. We're going to come here and add a zone. And again, there's two different ways we can add a zone. We can either add a whole field zone, or we can look at just an individual section of a field by drawing it out with our drawing tool. But in both of these cases, we're going to look at a whole field zone. So we're going to go ahead and click our whole field zone button. Once that pops up, we're going to come in, we're going to edit our budget and set it for a conventional tillage pass. And we'll name this zone Tillage Implementation. Scrolling down, we are going to look at our equipment cost. We're going to bump that up to about $85 per acre, indicating that we're going to have more equipment to run over the field for that increased tillage pass. Our herbicide and insecticide cost, we're going to set that at about $35 per acre, indicating with this we'll need that amount of herbicide for our conventional tillage. Obviously it's going to be less than strip tillage because we're tilling the field and killing those weeds as we go along. And then finally, scrolling down, we're going to set our labor cost to $45 per acre, once again indicating that increased labor we need to implement the tillage application. And then we're just going to hit Save. Once that saves, we're going to come down and do the same thing to our strip tillage and adjust that budget accordingly as well. So again, we just click on our strip tillage zone, hit Add Zone, and again just click on the whole field zone button like before. And we're going to name this field, or this zone, excuse me, just strip till. Oops. And scrolling down again, we're going to set our equipment cost. We'll leave that about the same. We might bump that up to $65 an acre. Once again, our herbicide and insecticide cost, we're going to bump that to $50 an acre. And then lastly, our labor slider, we're going to leave that about the same at $37 per acre. And hit Save.